Do you want to start making FaceTime calls on your iPhone? Before you can use it, you'll need to make sure FaceTime is enabled. Here's how to set it up. FaceTime lets you make video and audio calls to other Apple users, and getting it ready only takes a few minutes. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the settings, make sure you're signed in to your Apple account. If you're not signed in, tap the Account section and log in or create an Apple account. FaceTime requires an Apple account to work. Once that's done, return to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now scroll through the list and select FaceTime. Turn on the FaceTime toggle if it isn't already enabled. Next, check that your phone number or Apple account email address appears under the section that shows how people can reach you on FaceTime. This is the contact information others will use when calling you through FaceTime. Once everything looks good, exit Settings app and open the FaceTime app. From there, you can start a new FaceTime call or create a FaceTime link that can be shared with others. You can even send a FaceTime link to Android or Windows users so they can join from a web browser. And that's it. FaceTime is now enabled and ready to use on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.